Odisha Supply Minister Krishna Chandra Patra has denied allegations of complications in the farmer registration process for paddy procurement. He clarified that an AgriStack ID is not mandatory for registration and farmers can complete the process even without the ID. As of August 9, a total of 5,093 farmers have registered across Odisha. Of them, 3,108 farmers have an AgriStack ID, also known as the Farmer Registration ID. The minister said the government stands with the farmers and there is no complexity in the registration process. The AgriStack ID issued by the Agriculture Department is required before collecting the paddy token. Farmers can also register for the AgriStack ID at the office during the registration process. If farmers submit the record of rights or ROR of their land, the AgriStack ID will be issued within 2 days. Minister Krishna Chandra Patra also said there is no complication for sharecroppers. They can register by submitting the required documents. He assured that the government will procure paddy from all farmers. During the last Kharif season, the government procured 78 lakh metric tons of paddy, while 20 lakh metric tons were procured during the Rabi season.
कौनसी जटिलता ता भीतर नहीं हमर 9 तारीख सुधा 9/8/2026 सुधा 5,093 फार्मर्स रजिस्ट्रेशन कर सारे ता भर एग्रीस्टाक आईडी थिबा माने एग्रीकल्चर आईडी थिबा 3,108 जन फार्मर्स रजिस्ट्रेशन कर आमे एग्रीस्टाक आईडी कंपलसरी कर माने इटा नकल थिले भी जन रजिस्ट्रेशन कर तेणु कौन सी प्रकार असुविधा नहीं भाग चाषी माने आसिक रजिस्ट्रेशन कर